Welcome. In front of me is a Teclast T60, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here, scroll all the way down to System, and then on the second side, you want to scroll down and select Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. This presents you with a list of data right here. So the data that will be removed, I should add, and some of this might be more important than other listings. So as an example, I personally find things like music, photos, and user data to be important. Rest of these are just kind of whatever. And the reason for that, downloaded apps, you can re-download system and app data you can regain by just re-downloading the apps. And your Google accounts, you can just re-sign into them. So primarily, music, photos, and user data are the important things that you might want to back up. Now, assuming you have already backed up this data, or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed further by selecting Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it on this page, and then select Erase All Data for the second time. This will now begin factory resetting your device, and this process will take about 2 minutes probably on this device. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.